Welcome to the online classes of Sacred Heart High School. Children, today we'll be studying maths for standard 6, chapter number 16, quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means four sides. Quad means four and lateral means side. Any four-sided shape is a quadrilateral, but the sides have to be straight and it has to be two-dimensional. So the proper definition of a quadrilateral is given as: a quadrilateral is an enclosed four-sided figure which has four vertices and four angles. Children, we have already studied about the vertices and the angles in a previous chapter, that is triangles. Reading and writing of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. When writing the name of a quadrilateral, a sign like this, that is a small square, is put in place of the word quadrilateral. In this figure, that is quadrilateral ABCD, we will be reading the quadrilateral starting from vertex A and we will be going clockwise. So quadrilateral ADCB. Then we move towards the second vertex, that is D. Quadrilateral DCBA, and which is written as with a small square, quadrilateral DCBA. Now we will start from vertex C. Therefore quadrilateral CBAD, and at the end quadrilateral BADC. So this is how we read and write a quadrilateral. Now let us see what are the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. We can see a figure or a quadrilateral ABCD. The side AB and AD of quadrilateral ABCD have a common vertex A. Sides AB and AD are adjacent sides. Children, remember that the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral will always share a common vertex. Therefore, now we have to name the pairs of the adjacent sides of this figure. The first pair is AB and AD. The second pair is AD and DC. Third pair is DC and BC. And the fourth pair is BC and BA. We can see here that all these pairs share a common vertex. Therefore, every quadrilateral has four pairs of adjacent sides. Now let us study opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Children, opposite is the one facing or one which is opposite to you. In quadrilateral ABCD, the sides AB and DC have no common vertex. Side AB and side DC are opposite sides of the quadrilateral. So the first side they have given us, that is AB and DC. Now they have told us to write the pairs of the opposite sides. There will always be two pairs of the opposite sides. The first pair is AD and BC, and the second pair is AB and DC. Children, always remember that the opposite sides of the quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. In the previous one, we have studied that the adjacent sides have a common vertex, but the opposite sides will have no common vertex because they are facing each other. Now let us study the adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral DEFG, the two angles, angle DEF and angle GFE, have a common arm EF. These angles are neighboring or adjacent angles. Adjacent is the one which is neighboring or one which is just besides you. So they have told us, name the adjacent angles of the quadrilateral DEFG. First pair is angle DEF and angle GFE. Here children, we can see that this pair shares a common arm, that is EF. Second pair will be angle FGD and angle GDE. Third pair is angle EFG and angle FGD. Fourth pair will be angle GDE and angle DEF. Always remember that the angles of the quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. Now let us see the opposite angles of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral DEFG, angle opposite to angle EFG is angle EDG, and the second pair will be angle opposite to angle FGD is angle DEF. Children, always remember that the angles of the quadrilateral which do not have a common arm is called opposite angle of a quadrilateral. We have studied so far that for any adjacent side or angle there is one common vertex or one common side, and for any opposite side or angle there is no common vertex or no common side. This is the difference between the adjacent and the opposite sides and angles. Now let us study the diagonals of a quadrilateral. Children, what are the diagonals? Here we can see that quadrilateral ABCD and the opposite angle, that is angle A and C and angle B and D, are joined by a line segment. The segments AC and segment BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. The line segment which joins the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. One important property of the quadrilateral is that the sum of the measure of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We can see here that when all the four angles of these quadrilaterals are added, they will give you a sum of 360 degree. Polygon. What is a polygon? Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are all called as polygons. Now let us study practice set 37. Observe the figures below and find out their names. The first figure is a quadrilateral with 5 sides which is known as pentagon. The second figure with 6 sides is known as a hexagon. The third figure with 7 sides is known as a heptagon, and the fourth quadrilateral with 8 sides is known as a octagon. So children, this was all about quadrilaterals and polygons. We will be studying more about it in our online lectures. Thank you.